Rewarded Play advance limit problems usually happen when the app places restrictions on account activity, eligibility, or available features. By the end, you'll know what to check when your Rewarded Play advance limit is stuck, and the steps to try before reaching out to support. Start by checking your Rewarded Play account status. A stuck advance limit can be connected to account verification, activity requirements, or temporary limits placed on the account. Open the Rewarded Play app and review any messages, alerts, or account notices that explain why the limit is not changing. Next, check that your account information is complete and accurate. Incorrect account details can affect access to certain features inside reward apps. Review your profile information and update anything that is outdated. You should also check that you are using the latest version of the Rewarded Play app. Older app versions can sometimes cause features to stop working correctly. Open your device's App Store and install any available updates before trying again. Another step is to close the app and restart your device. Temporary app glitches can prevent information from updating properly. After restarting, open Rewarded Play again and check whether the advance limit has changed. Avoid repeatedly attempting the same action if the limit stays stuck. Multiple failed attempts may not change the status and can make troubleshooting harder. Instead, check the account requirements and wait for the app to refresh before trying again. If the advance limit is still stuck, contact Rewarded Play support through the available help options. Include your account details, device information, and a description of what happens when you try to use the advance feature. Clear information helps support identify the issue faster. The main fixes are checking your account status, updating the app, restarting your device, and contacting support if the limit does not change. Open Rewarded Play and review your account messages first, because the reason for the stuck limit may already be shown inside the app. Subscribe for more reward app fixes, troubleshooting guides, and money-saving app tutorials. And like the video if this helped you fix Rewarded Play advance limit problems.